It's my first time eating some shrimp, and it's super tasty. I'm gonna eat it.
This head is not kasali. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna peel this. It's kind of hot, so.
It's like I'm doing it with magic.
Yeah, because you're not touching it, but it's getting peeled, right? Na-picture mo na. Pagbalat kita. You like it?
Do you like it, Bella?
Tama na. Pag may balat na, tama na. Eh. This is the tail. You don't eat the tail, okay?
Okay.
Just hold it.
More like shaky, shaky, bum, bum.
One more? Yeah.
That was tasty. Tomorrow, can you buy more?
Oh, you want more?
Okay.
Okay.
Can you save some for tomorrow?
Can I save some? Or buy some?
Buy some.
Okay.
It's so soft.
Sa baba po na po yung damit niya.
You like the shrimp? No.
Yes.
What about kare-karing shrimp? Do you think you're gonna like that?
Is
Because
there
it's,
such a thing as that?
yeah, there is such a thing as that.
No, it's not.
No, there's shrimp kare-kare. It's your favorite orange sauce and then shrimp. So instead of pork, it's shrimp. You think you're gonna like that?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Hold on.
I'm
I'm just gonna-
moving it with magic. Spawning some more ants.
Here.
To the tail.
Ano, wala yung tail.
Because
Okay.
I'll have to eat it. It's hot. What is this?
Bibili na lang ulit kami ng mga shrimp. Want more shrimp? Come buy more.
Don't show it to Ate.
She can't eat that. She's gonna have. That's why it's. Some more? Yeah?
Mama!
Yeah.
What was that?
That's the essence of the shrimp.
I look so goofy right now. Okay. Just look at my hands.
Okay, this is the tail. And hold the tail. It's the big ones that I chose talaga for you eh.
It's like
Okay, you can hold it with two hands. Mm. What?
my teeth.
May teeth? May teeth? Akala ko may teeth yung shrimp.
Sa akin,
Ah, sa'yo. This is your first time eating shrimp.
You can upload it in your video, in your YouTube
Yeah.
channel. Hi guys, it's my first time eating shrimp.
then, hi guys. It's my first time eating some shrimp.
Mm. You tell the camera.
Hi guys. It's my first time eating some shrimp, and it's super tasty. I'm gonna eat it.
Are you gonna eat all of it?
No,
No.
just one.
This one? You already ate 3.
Don't worry about those. I just ate 3, okay?
You can slow there because it's butter and just garlic. It's so low carb. Yum, yum.
I'm sure I'm gonna get one million likes.
Mm-mm.
Can you make a video, not a short?
Not a short. Okay. You want an actual video? Okay.
Not short.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna remove the tail.
Let me.
It's gonna.
Can you?
Hey!
Hey!
I'm literally downstairs eating right now, and my sister's upstairs.
And she can't have shrimp.
Yeah,
Maybe she has yogurt.
yeah, that's right. What is she allergic
Do you?
of?
More?
What is she allergic of?
The seafoods and the eggs and chicken. We can only have pork and beef.
And tuna?
No, not tuna.
That
Want some
was
more?
enough for me.
Hmm?
That's enough for me.
Okay.
Now
Then-
there's
then I can have some.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then I can have some. You ate
5
3?
left.
Wow.
That makes 5. What if I take 5? 3 away. How many shrimps do you have?
How many?
1.
Ah. But what? Why are you taking it away? I'm eating it.
This is mine now.
Wag ma. Tutulong eh.
It's mine now. Can you
Diba?
say some?
Even the, you want me to save some? So you can eat it later.